In this tutorial, I'll show you how to promote your Etsy shop on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Promoting your shop on Etsy means using built-in tools like ads, SEO, and discounts to increase visibility directly within the platform. Now, if you want to promote your Etsy shop on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by logging into your account on Etsy and opening your shop manager. Next, use Etsy ads. Go to the marketing section, click on Etsy ads and turn them on. Set a daily budget and let Etsy promote your listings in search results. After that, optimize your listings for search. Use clear keywords in your titles and tags, write accurate descriptions, and make sure your products match what buyers are searching for. Then, run sales and discounts. Go to marketing and select sales and discounts to create offers like percentage discounts, promo codes, or free shipping deals. These can boost clicks and conversions. Also, improve your listing quality. Use high quality photos, competitive pricing, and clear product details. Etsy prioritizes listings that perform well, so better listings get more visibility. Another important step is to maintain good shop performance. Reply to messages quickly, ship orders on time, and collect positive reviews. This helps build trust and improves your ranking. Keep in mind that Etsy promotion is a combination of ads, optimization, and consistency over time. That's it. By using Etsy ads, improving your SEO, and running strategic discounts, you can increase your shop's visibility and grow your sales directly on Etsy.